Welcome to the Reify Online Learning Hub. In this lesson, we'll show you how to easily add data to your Reify project in CSV format that's ready to use immediately. So let's get going. Data sources store data, and components such as grids and forms know how to access and change data stored in data sources. In this tutorial, we're going to create a data source using a type of data file, a CSV or comma-separated values file, which is a common format you can get from Excel and other tools. So let's get started creating our data source. Click on the Add button in the Data Source section. In this example, we'll be creating a brand new data source. Now we're going to upload the data for the data source from a CSV file. Enter a name for your data source here. We've named the data source Art Supply Items for you. In this example, our data is a table of the stock of art supplies. Use a name that describes the data that's being stored. Now we need to import the data. We've pasted in some sample CSV data below. When you're working with your own file, you can click the Format Help link if you need assistance with how your file should look. In the future, you can type in, copy and paste, or upload your own CSV file here. Now just click on the Create Data Source button to finish up. Now you can see that your data source has been created and is in the list of data sources for your project. To use your data source, drag a list grid onto your screen. Bind the list grid to your new data source. Notice how your fields have been formatted for you? Field types are automatically determined based on the data you provide, similar to how Excel guesses data types, except a bit smarter. The Next Shipment field is formatted as a date field, and the In Stock field has been formatted as a checkbox. Because the system knows Next Shipment is a date field, the grid offers grouping options that make sense for a date. Right-click the Field Header button to see your options, and it'll show you grouping options for the Next Shipment field. Your data is now grouped by quarter. That's not all. If you enable filtering and editing, the grid offers Date Range Search and a Date Chooser widget for editing with automatic validation. Congratulations, you completed the tutorial. Reify is a new kind of low-code platform, one you can use on every project, not just for the simple ones. Reify is a radically faster, radically better way to work. Try Reify today for free.